You see how much I mean, when you go out there, when we go up in the orange field,
Loads of orange. Loads of orange. Yeah. Loads of orange. This place is very fruitful though. To the market. Yeah. Oh, is that grapefruit? What are those? Grapefruit? Cathy Wallace, what you say? Richards, what you say? Yeah. Yeah man, this place fruitful man. Lot of fruit growing here. Yeah. I wonder how long it take him to grow so much fruit. How long it take to grow so much fruit?
A tree?
Yeah, all these trees, yeah. Take some time.
4 years, 5 years.
4 years.
4 years. Drafted as a 3 years.
Yeah.
Natural as a
4, yes. After 5 years, got fruit to kill. I tell you.
You see the hurricane?
Grenada.
Janet.
Janet, yeah, that dirty hurricane.
Janet,
Yeah, dirty. That's terrible hurricane, man, Janet.
I live in Trinidad and I went up.
You went over there?
The hurricane hit me.
Yeah.
I went and dive.
You dive?
Yeah, I went and dive fish. Spear fish in there.
Oh, okay.
I have a gun.
Fish gone and you just
Well,
wash.
I live in my gun and everything there.
Oh. So when you catch your fish, what you do with them?
We swim from Nantapin Airport, Milano Airport there.
For real, Cathy Wallace. Yeah, so when you catch your fish, what you do with them? Sell them? Yeah. You cook the fish, give to people, yeah. That is love, man. That is really love. Bananas, fig. Trust me. Yeah, me I easy and I whole fruit and I made. Just. You know, Daddy, the park where we're coming from, that big park there that we're coming from, you see? Yeah, the gentleman told me that the owner for the park, he used to sell milk on a bicycle. And look at him now. Yeah, one of the brother. Oh, the man used to sell milk on a bicycle, and all of a sudden now he become a millionaire. Yes, Cathy Wallace, yes, Tatika Richard. We just have all the meds after full ourselves, get some juice, went to the park, and we just talk to the vibes, you know. Fig, bananas. Bye. Yeah. Fig. Trinidad, man, is a place to be.
What is bueno?
Yeah. Carry on naman, carry that naman.
We are Jamaican,
Everybody have a bag of fig and a bag of fruit. Yeah, everyone have a bag of fruit for themselves. Yeah. Yeah man, fruit and oranges. Yam. What about yam and stuff like that?
Yeah, we have plenty of
Plenty yam. Yeah. Yeah. Yam.
Yam moment. Yam untuk kumpul. Kalau ramai di Konari.
Yam, dashin and all is grown provision. Mm. The real catty. Yes, catty. I tell you a reason. Me and the brethren them a reason. Still about the whole settings. Trinidad, man. A good experience here. Wow. It's a good experience, man. The wind slamming the door. Yeah. Yeah. So you used to live up this side one time, Daddy? You used to live up this side? Where you live in this area before? You? Oh, you have garden over this side? Gracie Miller. Christian Faith. That's of Gracie Miller. I know the internet is very bad. Yes, Gracia, thank you for that. Disgraceful internet, but I try to work with it. I'm on roving, so you know, when we're on roving, this thing happen. No, sorry for that. Goat, yeah. Yeah. I was introduced to wild hog. Yeah. Over there. Yeah. Yeah. I introduced to the wild hog. Yeah. The wild hog, man. Them interesting, you know?
When are you in Jamaica?
Long time.
You try,
Long
there a
time.
long time?
Yeah.
Do you say a long time here?
No, he asked me when last I've been to Jamaica, and I say a long time. Yeah, over about a little while. Yeah, yeah. But Trinidad is my place, man.
Huh?
Trinidad is my place now.
You like Trinidad?
Yeah, yeah.
Huh? You go buy some land in Trinidad?
They're gonna have to buy land in Trinidad and set a foundation, yeah?
So Jamaica and land?
Land there, I have land in Jamaica.
But you like Trinidad?
But we can have land everywhere, innit?
But you like Trinidad?
Yeah. Love the Trinidad, man. Trinidad more nicer. Calm and no gunshot.
But is that gunshot here, you know?
No, sir.
This side of it.
The other side. Gunshot up there.
Gunshot is here, yeah.
Well, I'm not gonna go over there.
Over there, no land, no. Land is in the countryside.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
But you spending the money to go to Jamaica now,
Yeah,
yeah?
yeah. All for money.
Plenty money, yeah.
Yeah.
You gotta go to New York, you gotta go in Jamaica.
Yeah, true, true.
It's almost the same price.
Same price. No, almost the same price. Cause I was checking, see where if I can go to Jamaica from here, and I tell you, it's very expensive.
I used to dance to Quantum. You know about that? I used to dance to
Sherry and Garden Griffiths, where I say the internet is very bad. I understand, but I'm trying to work with it. You know, we're just having a meditation right now, reasoning things out. Me and Nick Virgin them just done the fruit connection, done the ground provision and stuff like that. The fig, what they call, aka banana. Now we're just sitting down having a meditation, just don't have some drink and some food. Went to a beautiful place. Unfortunately, there was no internet facility. Everywhere I turned, there was no internet, but you know, I decided to come and show you more information as we go along. So we sit down and reason out, me and the chinny them. Yeah, man. They're interviewing me, asking me a lot of things about Jamaica. Say it's easier to go to New York than Jamaica, and that is true. It's very expensive to go to Jamaica from here. Check it. Yeah.
Nice white and clean, boy. Oh God, yeah.
Yes.
No, he's saying, no, but he's saying,
Trust me.
he doesn't sell the cocoa to people like who else make chocolate now. That a waste of time. Mount Allen have long time when they go in the country. People picking coffee by the bags, cocoa by the bag.
Coffee, coconut, milk. You name it.
Then we have to come back.
These things can import and these things being import to different parts of the world, especially from Grenada to the world.
Your father cutting on you.
Jamaica good and pimento.
I'm taking out.
That now import.
Yeah.
Yeah, good and tourism. Jamaica good at peanuts.
Yeah, yellow pot,
Yeah, these people import cocoa. This nothing make those stuff to the world, and they return currency come in. So you find that they come under management, proper management. Actually, I went to a place today and we were having some drink, like beer, Jagan, etc. You buy 8 Jagan out of $100 and you get back £40 change, $40 change. $40. Think about that. $100 can buy not even one beer in Jamaica. I said not even one beer. But I give them 100 Trinidad. And I get back $40 change after buying 5 beers for the 5 bridges in them. Eh? What going on? No, tell me, I don't know. I don't want to compare every day, but it just puzzle my brain and I try to work out things. Yeah, the man my reason anyway, I will listen to the conversation, but just a jump in as or something. Yes, Nelson, good after morning. Yeah, the child is swinging on the hammock, right? Roper. Marlin Roper. Nelson, big up yourself. And us on the internet, it's 100. Bear with it. Race your meal. Bear with it. You know, out the internet pick up better that we can get some good strength. I don't know, it's disgraceful.
The best day class, long time was
Evan Gilfin Lane. We have a little meditation, it's a conversation we are reading, you know. Having a talk, you know, with the bridging them. Work over now. Fruit and food has been located and put in a respected area of what we're in destination. So we just sit and reason. Food, everybody's stomach full. We have a small drink and we feel good. So them just give a conversation same way now. Yes. Jammy with the chini. Yeah, you can imagine the jammy with the chini would combi. Yeah, man. The jammy with the chini. I used to feel live good, you know, that's why I don't really want to fight with them. But I love my sisters and my brothers and my friends and everybody. And love conquer all. If I ever love them and show them love, it never have in their place and open and door and them heart and them mind and everything to me. No, they wouldn't do that. Because we have this kind of bond for over the years. Many times I get invitation and I said, no, I'm not going to go. It was change country. Eventually I regret I turned down those invitations.
You talking today?
Yeah?
Facebook? The whole world?
And the
Huh?
and the phone. Yeah, so that's what's going on. Yeah, people, so tell you. Yeah, man. Very near to yard, but still far away. Cause it's very expensive to come over there. It's easier for me to go to New York than go over to Jamaica. Trust me. Near to yard, but far away. Cause you have to remember, say Trinidad is Eastern. I think it's Eastern Caribbean. It's not like some of them countries like Cuba and them places there. Talking about £700 to go to Jamaica from Trinidad. A very expensive move that. Cause still Caribbean but still far, you know. But easy to go back to London and then go to Jamaica. And link up with the people there. Yeah, man. We have some business to done in Jamaica still and talk to the people there. But the truth is, it's a matter of time.
Just now. You talk now.
It's a matter of time, you know.
I can ask you something.
I love the vibes. Marlon Barkley, good after morning. Yeah, and it's like, you just are looking at things and I say, boy, it's a pity our people never see it the way how it should be seen and make something different and better for yourself. And not take the other way around, trying to kill one to achieve something, not make it, trust me. We have to keep it real. Because love is a powerful thing and most of us can't find it. We don't understand it. We just hear about it, hear people sing about it and believe that is love. But love is one thing where you have to express. You have to practice. You have to use it. Otherwise you are not someone who inhabit love, you know. And everybody gonna say I love you, I love you, I love you. But they always have some ulterior motive. There always be something where they always want from you when they say they love you. People don't naturally love you, you know, like that. There always be something they want from you or something they want to give you. They love you because, yes, they can give you something and you can take something which they don't want or vice versa. And that is the thing what we have here. Love is a serious thing when most of we don't get. We see big artists come and sing about love. And the truth is they never know love for themselves. Them sing so much love songs, sing so much wonderful songs, you dance to them and sing them. You're expressing your love to someone, you use their songs. But in reality they don't know love. They don't know love, they don't understand the power of love. My Bible tells me that God is love. And most time we talk about love, we waste it, we misunderstand it. We treat it as if it's something to trample. But the truth is when you love yourself, you will love your neighbor. And when you love your neighbor, you will love everybody. Okay? If you hate yourself, you will hate everybody. Yeah, the food is sunshine, wonderful, wonderful. I don't think I haven't tasted iguana yet, and I don't think I'm going to go down that road anyway, straight up. I don't like the sound of it. But otherwise, everything is good. You have to clear what you eat, and people stick to them bargain. You eat what you understand and know and used to, and leave what you know used to, so whoever want used to eat. But now I'm bash and condemn no one, but the truth is, I'm born never eat iguana, so I'm not eat it now when I'm a big man. I'm not going to eat iguana, them, you know, so we have to just live up and love and respect every man and woman who eat what they want to eat and drink what they want to drink and put them up where they want to put it. Straight up. You're not getting that kind of category there. The truth is, people, you know, right, in my eye. Enough time the other way it seems right, and to a man at the end is destruction. Understand? But the truth, and we shall know the truth and shall set you free. So we are the bridging them there, we are raising a whole reason on everything. Put it down, let me see. Put it down on your head, let me see it. Let's see how fit. Yes, daddy, put it on. Yes, sir. Wow. Yeah, man, daddy, yeah, daddy, you're doing fine. You look good, you look good. You look good. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir, you look good. You take the market. You still off? You take the market, daddy. Lord, can't play with you. Yeah, man. So people demand that the wife actually look out, see away for him. Just fun. Then people are not washing no face, man. Then people are concerned about life and liberty. They're not worried about who pretty and who ugly, who wise, who fool, and who get born and who nah, who are this. They're not busy with them. Now people concerned about making money, live the life. That may respect with them. No business who in a peck and mix up. Eileen Peck, me well big of herself. Yeah. The way them flex is just normal and simple, humble lifestyle. Nothing too exciting, nothing too fussy. Nothing to bring funniness to them. Peaceful Christian mind people who know are Catholic or Presbyterian, who are Adventist and who are Baptist and who love their church. And everybody just go on and serve them God. And do them one good thing. After they don't serve them God, they go straight back on the money hustling. Yeah, man. Straight on the money hustling. I don't know some money is the order of the day for them and money do things for us.
Goodbye, you know.
Go ahead, no?
So this is what going on big and serious. And I hope the internet can sort out that you can hear me properly.
I put the rice there for you. You cook rice or the... I put it in a box there for you. That's the right on the ground. Oh, the company. Yeah. No. I said it. The wallet is asking for. No, I see the wallet somewhere. Yeah, put it in a box there for you now. So you do this one like that, right?
Yeah, but this boy just put me on the day.
You have a little bag there again. Keep that. Ariana, you know about Ariana? Ariana is a clock bag. Oh, yeah. Put in the bag, put in the bag. Any people have to do. Yeah, that's when I know this. Put the cocoa on the paddle. Put the cocoa on the paddle. Yeah.
Yeah, man, hold joy. What time now? Let's see what time now. One night. 7 what? 4:47. 12 minutes to 5. Right now, in a late night in some place, especially England. But it's a whole of meditation and a bit of vibes same way, and I go and watch everything. You know, Eileen, big of herself, Marlon Barkley.
I wasn't in that life just
No, he wasn't there. You ready? Alright, we gotta go now. Thank you, people. They never see your business much. Take it off. Hide your business away from them.
You went right.
Yeah.
Yes.
I don't want that to go there.
It goes natural.
True. Hello. How you doing? So now, we're leaving now, yeah? Alright, people, we're leaving now.